Be prepared. This summer's Boy Scout Jamboree promises to be an unforgettable experience filled with exciting adventures. And the New River isn't the only place to find them. Be prepared. Huntington, West Virginia is a fun-filled city located just a few hours away, prepared just for you. Prepare for thrills. Camden Park is the only amusement park in the state of West Virginia, filled with over 30 rides and attractions such as a log flume, roller coaster, and thrill rides for all ages. Prepare for history. Check out Huntington's nationally recognized Heritage Farm Museum and Village, featured on History Channel's American Pickers and blockbuster documentary America's Greatest Feud, Hatfields and McCoys. Learn about Appalachian life with hands-on exhibits and an amazing backdrop. Prepare for taste. Huntington is home to some very unique eating experiences. From the Travel Channel featured Hillbilly Hot Dogs and their monstrous Homewrecker Hot Dog and Double Wide Burger, to the unique atmosphere and menu of Backyard Pizza and Raw Bar, or the unique experience found at Marshall Hall of Fame Cafe, complete with its free We Are Marshall theme museum. Huntington has a taste to match anyone's palate. Prepare for fun. Pullman Square is one of Huntington's premier downtown destinations, filled with superb shopping, decadent eateries, a movie theater, and more. Pullman Square is a perfect place for a night on the town with family or friends. Be prepared this summer to visit Huntington, West Virginia. Huntington, it's on. Scouts Honor.